The issue with this is the top sheet. I'll just call it this sheet right here, this flat piece right here. It doesn't fill out all the way. If you notice, it's short there, short on this side. Everything else is in pretty good shape, but because that top rail or top piece doesn't fade out all the way, what does it rounds the edges. They're not sharp 90-degree edges. So what we need to figure out is how to get this top piece to suck out all the way, and then you'll have a much better piece when we run it. You can see that it'll come there for a little bit, it'll suck all the way over, and then after a few minutes she starts to pull back. Like right here, the part is good, but now look how it's pulling back in that area there, and that's the problem. This top part needs to be pulled all the way over the top. The sides here, the rounded, that's far enough. It's this top, I call it top layer, needs to come over, which will cause the angles to come down on the machine. Here's the pressures on both of them. Here's the speeds we're running at. And I'll show you the temperatures over here. Here's the temperatures we're running at. On the system. So everything seems to be running okay. When it comes out of the die, when it comes past this part to the mold, the material's leaving at 200 degrees centigrade. So I think we've got a lot of that figured out. When it leaves the mold, she's full and she's good. It's the top sheet or the top layer which kind of pulls together, and it forces us to lose our angles on the product. You can kind of see it there. It's the same thing on both sides. It actually has a little bit of an angle problem to it. What I'll do is once we get these things cut, I'll show you what it looks like on the other end. But the bottoms are fairly much okay. It is the top shrinks or whatever it does, and it causes it to pull in and we lose our edges.